Hi! Welcome back to the Department of Reinvention. It's been a while, and as you're about to see, my video making skills have gone rapidly downhill. Today I'll be showing you a straightforward upcycle of a pair of Lloyd Loom chairs. These chairs are over 60 years old, but they're still in incredible shape for their age. Lloyd Loom chairs are a really great project to start with if you're just getting started with upcycling. They're affordable to buy second-hand and are really easy to find at car boot sales, Facebook Marketplace, eBay and charity shops and places like that. The twisted paper and steel construction means they're incredibly solid and hard-wearing and can be repainted and restyled really easily. The legs had quite a lot of paint on them, so I did strip them and sand them to get them looking as smooth as possible for the new paint. Because of this twisted paper construction and their simple design, they're actually really easy to repaint and upcycle, so which can make them a really easy and straightforward project for the home. The cushions are also a really simple design too, so they can make a really good basic upholstery project. Unsurprisingly, for 60-year-old chairs, they have been repainted a few times, but stripping all of the paint off them would damage the material, so instead I just made sure to give them a really good clean with water instead. I just used a spray bottle filled with water, a clean paintbrush to get into the detail, and then just wiped it with a rag at the end. I used Rust-Oleum Chalky Finish furniture paint in powder blue as it matched really well with the fabric that I've chosen for the cushions. I think overall I gave the chairs about 2 to 3 coats of the paint, and then I finished with a couple of coats of clear matte spray varnish. After removing the staples from the bases of the cushions, the foam pads were both in really good shape from the last time they were upholstered, so I decided to just use them again instead of wasting new materials. I gave both cushions a layer of wadding and a layer of backing felt to give the cushions a really lovely full feel and look to them. I then placed the fabric over the cushions in the positions I like the pattern, and then using a staple gun I attached all of the layers to the underside of both cushions and trimmed the excess fabric. I didn't manage to get a video of it, but I also stapled a black base fabric to cover the fabric edges and staples on the underside of both cushions. And there you have it, 2 Lloyd Loom chairs repainted and reupholstered and given a new life. As usual, the products I've used are in the description below.